In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track goals, OKRs, and KPIs in ClickUp. We'll start by opening your ClickUp workspace. From the left sidebar, click on Goals. This is the area where ClickUp helps you organize high-level objectives and measure progress over time, which makes it a great place to manage both OKRs and KPIs in one view. Once you're there, click the plus goal button to create a new goal. This will open the setup window where you can enter the main details for what you want to track. Add your goal name, choose the owner, decide who has access to the goal, and set the start date and end date. You can also include a description to give the goal more context. This is especially helpful if multiple people are involved, because it keeps everyone aligned on what the goal is meant to achieve. After you've filled in those details, click OK to create the goal. Then open the goal you just created so you can begin building out the measurable parts underneath it. Next, click Create Target. Targets are what make the goal trackable. Enter the target name and select the owner. After that, choose the type of target you want to use. ClickUp gives you several options here, including number, currency, true or false, and task. The type you choose should match the way you want to measure progress. Once you've selected the target type, enter the value you want to achieve. For example, you might set a sales target at 50,000 or a productivity target at 100 completed tasks. This value becomes the benchmark you'll measure against as results come in. To build your OKR structure, use the main goal as your objective. Then create multiple targets under that goal to represent your key results. This is a simple and effective way to turn a broad objective into clear, measurable outcomes. If you select the task as the target type, the next step is to link the ClickUp tasks that contribute to that target. This allows progress to be connected directly to the work being done, which can make tracking more accurate and easier to maintain. You can also use these targets to track your KPIs. As actual results change, update the target values so you can monitor your ongoing performance. This helps you keep your data current and gives you a clearer picture of whether you're on track. Finally, open goals anytime to review your objectives, key results, and overall target progress. You can also review each target individually to compare current results against the values you originally set for your KPIs. Thanks for watching.